Hi friends, this video shows what happens when a factory reset. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, set factory reset, then set factory reset. See, read this message on the left side. This will restore your device to default settings and erase. That is very important. This operation will erase or delete all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps. Okay, so this is what happens when we do factory reset. It will erase all data. It will sign out from your Google account. It will delete your files, downloaded apps, everything. Okay, if you are okay with that, you can go ahead and select factory reset, then select erase everything. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.